Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you're trying to connect your Polk soundbar via Bluetooth, you might expect it to pair instantly, but sometimes your device doesn't find it or the connection fails. This can be confusing, especially if you're not sure whether the soundbar is in pairing mode or if your phone is searching correctly. Since Bluetooth connections depend on proper pairing and visibility, even a small misstep can stop it from working. The good thing is that once you follow the correct process, your Polk soundbar will connect quickly and let you stream music, videos, and more wirelessly with ease. Try these. Step 1. Turn on your Polk soundbar. Step 2. Press the Bluetooth button on the soundbar or remote to enter pairing mode. Step 3. Open Bluetooth settings on your phone, tablet, or device. Step 4. Look for your Polk soundbar name in the available devices list. Step 5. Tap to pair and connect. Step 6. Play audio to confirm the connection is working.